What up, gang man? Welcome back to another video. As you can see today, I'm not in the Chevy. I'm in my girl's Jeep, and today we're gonna switch something up. That we've been trying to look for a good alternative from the original radio, and I think I found one on Amazon. So this is the original one. This is the original radio it comes with. It's like a touchscreen. It has GPS. But the thing that she don't like about it is like it lags. When you try to listen to music, it like, I don't know, it's kind of slow, or when you're doing calls and stuff. So we're going to switch it up. I'm going to show you what we got right now. All right, got the box open, and this is a kit specifically designed for 2007 through 14 Jeeps Wranglers. This happens to be a Sahara edition. And watching a Christmas movie or something while I'm doing this. So it's a 10-inch screen. So it comes with all the pieces to adapt to accept the 10-inch screen, because I believe the original one is a 7, but that's the top of the radio piece that goes up there. We haven't put our Christmas tree up. We're waiting for after Thanksgiving, so don't mind the mess. The harnesses, I think it said that the controls from the stereo should work. So this is like an interface, whatever you call it. This is the whole bezel. Yeah, this is the actual bezel that's gonna, where the gauges go. It's gonna be a little bit shorter on one end to adapt the 10-inch screen. And here's the stereo itself. Let's see what we got. And they package it pretty good. And for the price, it said it's wireless CarPlay and I don't know, all the other fun stuff. It's already mounted on the bezel. All right, so here it is. So it's pretty slim, not that heavy. It's really clean. It's already mounted like flush. Oh, it came with a backup camera and the instructions. Okay, so I'm gonna go over these instructions real quick, and I'll cut y'all back when I'm inside the truck disassembling or taking out the old one. All right, so first let's take off this rubber thing that's in here. Put that to the side, and there's gonna be a screw right here, which I already took off. It was a 9/32, and I believe this should come off now. Let me see. It's my first time removing this stuff on this car, so maybe I'm gonna need like a, let me cut you back. I don't want to break anything. Okay, after removing that one, I pulled it a little bit and it's coming off, but it feels like something's holding it somewhere around this area right here. So I'm gonna check. Looks like this panel's already coming off. Let me see if I can. Things just clicked in. Yeah, it just clipped in. Okay, I think I see the screws there. So now we gotta remove that screw. I think there should be one over here. Yeah. So you gotta remove that one as well. That's what's holding it right there. All right, I took off those 2 screws already, and I feel like there's one right here. I gotta pop this thing out. This, I think, there may not even be a screw here, but let me pop it off right now. Okay, I got it down. I guess it didn't have a screw there. I guess it's already loose. Should be able to pull it off already. There it goes. Okay, now I just gotta unplug these. Or maybe I could just, yeah, let me just unplug these window switches, and I'll have this dash off. All right, I pulled off the window switches, and I guess there was a screw behind there. It's right there. Just gotta remove that one because that's the one that's holding it now. So in total, there's 4. They're actually 7mm screws. There's one there, one up there, and 2 underneath the gauge bezel. Okay. There it is. Now to take off the actual radio, the original radio, there's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, which I'm gonna remove right now. All right, guys, I took off the top so we can see a little bit better in here. But yeah, we gotta remove this radio here. There's 4 7mm bolts. Or screws. Remove these. Let's see what we got back here. Okay. This thing's heavy. Okay, we got the antenna. These are kind of weird plugs. I've never seen them like this before. Okay, we removed all of them, and these are factory plugs. So yeah, these are the wires I unplugged. It's pretty easy, just squeeze on this little thing right here and pull. Same thing with the antenna, squeeze and pull. These things as well. Just click on this and pull it. They all have like a little plastic clip. Pretty simple. Let's go look at what we got in the kit. Also, if you guys like the one that I purchased, I'm gonna leave the link in the description of the video so you guys can purchase it yourself. All right, this is the old bezel right here, the old dash, and this is the new one. So we're gonna have to transfer these AC vents into those. Let me see how we take them off. Let's flip this thing over. Let's see what we got. Is there some sort of, I think there's a tab right here. There's a tab right there. I don't know if you can see it. You can push it in, turn it maybe, or push it out. Oh, there's some here. Okay. Yeah, it's this tab here. You press it and you turn it. This one's already out. And we're going to take all of them out and transfer them onto that. All right, y'all. So I put them into the new one already. The same way you push it in. And I put it a little bit to the left. You can see like the Jeep sign is, so when you push it in, the Jeep sign is going to be over here. That's how it's going to go in. Then you twist it and it locks in. So now the Jeep letters are on top. Next is we got to take off these clips right here of the old one. These little plastic clips. And transfer them on the back of those. So I don't know, maybe just with a screwdriver. Yeah, they should come out with just a screwdriver. All right, so I got all the clips off right here. And just install them right here. Make sure they click. There you go. Make sure you put them on all of them. Right here. Right there. There you go. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let me do the other bezel. All right, this is the screen bezel where the radio goes. 1, 2, there's 3 right here. I think it's, yeah, 3. 1 over here. I think so. Are they? Yeah. So this is 4. 5, 6 over here, 7, 8. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we got all of them in already. Now we're gonna go ahead and reinstall these panels. All right, it's the new one going back in. Just line it up. All right, guys, so I pushed it in and it clipped in. Couldn't record it because I need 2 hands. And this tripod's not getting the best angle right now. So there it is. And the next one I'm gonna install is actually the top one. I have it right here. This is the new one that was in the kit. And I believe it goes like that. Yeah. Oh, but I need those clips. That must be on the old one. Let me take them off the old one. All right, it doesn't fit well, but I noticed it has like this little tiny plastic tab right here. This one right here, if I can focus. This one right here, it has one on each side. I'm going to shave it off, or I guess I cut it off on both sides, and I bet you it's gonna fit nice and smooth, because right now it's like hovering, just hovering there. I'll cut right back right now. All right, I cut them off, and now it's a nice fit. It's not hovering no more. It's pretty tight, pretty clean. All right, next I'm going to, let's see, I got the panel right here. Here it is. I'm gonna start wiring everything together. I think it's all just like plug and play. But let me cut y'all back right now. I'm gonna get all the wires ready, and I'm gonna start wiring everything together. I'm gonna show you how it goes, and see if we get this thing to turn on. All right, so I have the screen right here. This is the back of it. This is the cord that was in the package, and this is the power supply. This black goes in right there. There it goes. Next is all the RCA, the microphones and all that. This one goes right there. This way. All right. Then the next one is the antenna. Goes right there. Push it in. And the other side, it will be connected to the other side. And then next is this USB. It goes right there. Let's see what else. This is the GPS like finder thing. All right, so this is the backup camera cord or wires. That one goes right here. It goes. This is a USB cord. I think it's like for wired Apple CarPlay. This one, I believe, should go right here. And then, oh, this is the GPS one I was mentioning. This one goes right here. You just put it in and you screw it. But I'm gonna route it first, so I'll leave this out for now. And then the microphone. Oh, this is the other. It came with two USBs, so I guess this one goes there. The microphone, I believe it goes right here. Yeah, mic. It was clipped in there, but I'm gonna route it also first. This one, I'm not sure what that is for. Maybe another USB, or maybe it's this one. Yeah. Don't know exactly what that's for, but that's where it goes. And then we're left with this one right here. This is where the interface goes plugged into, which is this thing here. This thing right here is gonna enable your buttons to work. So in this Jeep, I have an In the back right here, I have to control the volume and to skip to the next song on this side. This will enable those switches to continue working. So this one goes plugged here, and then this just goes plugged into the main one, which is this one here. And it should be a quick and easy. This is probably the easiest install of a radio I've ever done. But let me get all this situated and I'll cut y'all back. Alright guys, so I ran my microphone and my GPS finder thingy. The GPS thing's right here, it goes underneath the dash, comes out of here. My microphone is right there. I don't even know what this is. This is already here. It looks like a microphone as well. But this is the microphone banner behind this pillar, underneath, and then it comes out through here. And then next is the USBs. I'm trying to figure out a way to have easy access. Let me figure something out. Alright, so I fished the USB wires through here, and they're coming off from right here. Now the backup camera, I'm not gonna mess with it right now. I just need to plug in the antenna right here and plug in the main power, which I believe is this one, and it should turn on if I did everything right. Alright, I got everything in and plugged. Let's see if it starts.
A few minutes later.
Probably plugged into the wrong one. Alright guys, so there's two plugs that look the same, which is this one and this one. So I just had it right now plugged into that one, and I switched it to that one, and they clip in the same. So I'm hoping that's the right one now. Yep, we got power now. All right, so let's turn this off, and let's set this in right. All right, so I got it all installed. I put the screws back, one up there, one right here, two down there. Let's see, that's how it's looking right now. Oh, I have the door open. I think this is this door's open. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Music, Bluetooth. I guess we can load pictures. Got settings. Make your own passwords. You can connect your own Wi-Fi's. So I mean, there it is right there. So I haven't really messed with you know, let me connect the radio, because I can't connect to the Bluetooth because I got the phone recording. But let me connect to the radio and see how it sounds. Oh yeah, real quick guys, this is how the USBs look. Once I put that panel on, they clip down good and everything. I didn't have to make no holes or anything in my dash. They're right there. You can just plug in your wires and use the wired CarPlay if you want. And another thing too, I didn't even know till after the fact, is that the whole kit came with its own screwdriver and its own like panel tool, which is cool. I didn't even know it came with it until I search the box, but that's pretty cool. But right now I'm gonna take it out the garage and cruise it around so I can put the volume up. All right, guys, here it is. I got just the local radio station playing. Well, I think I actually got my handbrake on. There it is. Let's see how it sounds. Just as loud, I think. I don't hear any difference as far as the quality. But what I do want to do as soon as I can is gonna put the reverse camera on, because right now when I pulled out the driveway, the screen turns completely black and it has like lines on it, like as if you were reversing. And maybe in the settings you can take that off, but it looks pretty cool if it did work. So I'll show you right now when I stop right now. Alright, so right now I'm in reverse. And you see what I mean? It looks like that. But when I turn the wheel, that thing turns as well, which is pretty cool because it's reading my my steering wheel. But I'm gonna back up into my driveway without crashing, hopefully. Alright guys, well that's gonna wrap up this video. I'll make like an update like in a month or two, and I'll have my girl like mess with it, see what she thinks about it, and then hopefully by then I'll have the camera hooked up so you guys can see it. But so far, man, I think it was like $170 for this. This is a 10.5-inch screen. Yeah, and if you like these videos, man, go ahead and subscribe and comment down below what you think about this, man. Like I said, it's one of the easiest installs I've ever done. I've done a lot of radios, and this was just all plug and play. I didn't have to cut no wires or anything. As you can see, it's pretty clean install. Little gaps here and there, but man, it's hardly noticeable. But yeah, catch you back on, and then I'll see you in the next video.